Vietnamese hair wigs have long been recognized as the best human hair wigs compared to other countries with famous wigs export in the world. How did they get the leading positions in the world? Which reputable vendors suppliers Vietnamese hair wigs? Hi guys, welcome back to K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. I'm Justin, sales manager of K Hair Factory, and today let's talk about Vietnamese hair wigs. Vietnamese hair wigs is high quality hair wigs products that come from Vietnam and are made from Vietnamese hair. A Vietnamese hair wig is a real hair covering all of the head worn by people trying to conceal their baldness or by people suffering from cancer. Some people put on hair wigs to be more attractive and stylish. Vietnamese hair wigs are popular with buyers thanks to their outstanding qualities and benefits. The first benefit is the convenience. For busy people, it would be great if every morning you could save your time by reducing the time to dry, straighten or curl your hair. In addition, you do not have to worry about taking care of your hair as much as real hair. The more frequently you use hair wigs, the more often you wash your wigs in a month. But trust me, Vietnamese hair wigs only need to be washed 1 to 3 times a month. All you need to do is to put your wigs on your head and enjoy a great day. The second benefit of Vietnamese hair wig is the flexibility. Wigs give you a huge number of hairstyles available for you to choose from, with the aim of getting a new style whenever you wish. Your style is limited list in a variety of colors, length and cuts. If you want hair that stands out naturally or want a new look that you have never tried cutting or dyeing before, try Vietnamese hair wigs. Human hair wigs are flexible daily, so you can buy wigs with a variety of styles in order to grow your wigs collections. Besides the benefits, you still should consider the price of Vietnamese hair wigs. Because Vietnamese hair wigs are a 3D shape like a head, it's more expensive than other types of human hair wigs such as weft bundles, clip-in, tip-in hair extensions or tape-in hair extension. In addition, the mobilities and changeabilities from day to day is also a reason why hair wigs have a high price. Therefore, Vietnamese hair wigs from human hair require buyers with good financial conditions. And that is all you need to know about Vietnamese hair wig. If you have any question, don't hesitate to text me through this WhatsApp number. If you find this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justin, and I will be back for more videos on K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.